Good morning, dear students. It's time to have our science class. Today, we have seen the Unit 1, Class 6 Standard, about the magnetism. It's one of the important lesson. You have to find and study lot in future about the magnetic properties. Now, let's welcome all of you in this fine day. Since we are going to study about the magnetism, just you have seen in the videos. So what are the things we are going to study about that? Number one, you have to skill in the discovery of magnets. Number two, to identify magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Number three, to distinguish between north and south poles. Number four, the properties of magnets. Here you can see the pictures. It's a magnet. It attracted with some pins like that. So what is magnet? Here is your interesting story to you. How the magnet was discovered. You see that picture? One man, a boy is moving around that. There was a rock while he was rendering in his shape. Then you could have seen that his name was Magnus, was rearing his goats. His iron capped stick stuck on the rock and stood erect. So, what happened after that? His iron nailed boots also stuck on the rock. Then the entire village assembled there and wondered. Finally, they concluded this is a magnificent power of God. And after that, they came to know that it's nothing but it's the magnetic power. Now you can see that what are the shapes of the magnet. You see, there are several shapes are there. Number one, bar magnet. Number two, horseshoe magnets. Number three, ring magnet. And also the needle magnet. And even you can see that oval shape, disc shape and cylindrical shape magnets. So, how can we say all these magnets in that? Even you can get all the magnets in your local shop and try to get it. It costs very minimum. And you can play with it. By that you can find the magnetic properties and you can have the very fun of the magnets in future when you study that. And after that we have seen that. Already you have told about the magnetic poles. So what do you mean by magnetic poles? It's nothing but the two ends. The two ends of the magnet is the surface that we consider the magnetic poles. Here we can see that. You can see the pictures. The attracted power, especially in the magnetic poles, are greater than the surface area. Here we can see that there are two types of poles. One is north pole and south poles. Here we can see that a lot of things we can see every day. Here the handling that. So especially both the poles, we can have the attractive power is more, as we said earlier. And also about the magnetic compass, it's also one of the greatest instrument to find out the direction of the things. And also here it is the needle, magnetic needle inside that. And it can rotate easily in all the sides. You see the clear in picture. The magnetic compass. And also then we can have the magnetic properties also, we can do that. And the properties, especially the object which are covered, which are attracted by the magnet, is called magnetic properties, and which is not covered by the non-magnetic object, it is called the non-magnetic properties. We can see that. So here we can have the two types of magnetic properties. As you said, that you can easily find out. You can collect all the materials which are available in your home and you find out with the magnet and you play with the magnet and find out what are the magnetic substances, what are the non-magnetic substances. Then you can draw in the column and put it in the separate columns and you can find out the magnetic objects and non-magnetic objects here. Here you can see that magnetic compass. The compass has a magnetic needle that can rotate easily the marked end of the needle is the north pole of the magnet. So a compass is an instrument which is used to find directions. By that, it's mostly used in ships and airplanes. As a rule, mountaineers also carry a compass with them so that they do not lose their way in unknown places. Here, by that, I think you can find out the use of the compass. So, dear students, thank you all again. Just to go through the lesson and draw the mind map and categorize the magnetic object, non-magnetic objects in a separate column. And please submit all your things in 1 or 2 days. And let us see it in another class. Have a good day. Don't roam outside. Be staying home and stay care and be happy and be cheer. By the same time, you should not forget your lesson, forget your homework.